Make sure that you already purchased the base plan of YouTube TV at the very least and ensure the subscription is still active, because you cannot watch HBCU Go without having YouTube TV base plan first. And to buy the YouTube TV base plan, from the homepage of YouTube TV, you want to go to your top right of your screen and then click right here on the store icon. And you want to click on all right here at the top, and then search for YouTube TV networks and add-ons. So click on it. And then you may add the YouTube TV base plan to your YouTube TV membership by paying for $83 per month, and you can get 7-day free trial. So click on next and complete your purchase with debit card, credit card, or even PayPal and Cash App. And then to watch the HBCU Go after you buy the YouTube TV base plan, you wanna go to your top right of your screen and then click on the search icon and search for HBCU and tap on HBCU Go network. Scroll down and you can watch the live session of the HBCU Go. If you still have any question, just comment down below and I will try my best to guide and help you guys. If you find this video useful, please consider like and subscribe.